Hey, it's Madison. Welcome back to another art video. Today I'm going to be testing out this funnel. It's a 6-slot funnel from JnLDesignGroup. You can check it out or get one at their Etsy under JnLDesignGroup. They're also on Instagram, so be sure to check them out there. But today I'm just going to walk you through my first use of this 6-slot funnel. So right away, this funnel caught my attention because it has the 6 slots, of course, for paint. I love that you can fill them up individually and have different colors, but that center piece that creates the 6 slots fits into the funnel perfectly, so there's no leakage. I can take my time, I can fill this up as slowly as I want, I can work directly over my painting, and it's not going to leak. Because this was my first attempt with this funnel, I wanted to make sure I was kind of color blocking, putting a lot of paint of one color, but I do end up adding colors on top of each other just to see what type of design it would make. First, I am going to add some white paint. I like to do this so when I release the funnel or have paint go into it, it goes inside of another color and that creates my cells.
Hush now.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Madison, you're gonna lose all that separation of color when you pull up that centerpiece. Oh no. Just wait and see. To get this to spread out nicely, I am gonna spin it here on my Lazy Susan. This funnel really surprised me. I think it's so cool that you can see the separation of colors from inside the slots and it translates all the way onto the painted canvas. Here I just demonstrated using the funnel as a straight pour. I didn't move the funnel around, so I'm really excited to play around with this and see what else it can create. Here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys go check out JnLDesignGroup. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If you're looking for some art for your home, head on over to maddysonart.com. If you're looking for daily inspiration, head on over to my Instagram. And if you just want to say hi, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye!